and liftoff of Artemis I. We rise together back to the moon and beyond.
I'm not used to talking about trees, like rocks, which is easier. Seeds represent the most optimistic of our species. Given our reliance on wood, from raw material for a home to a baseball bat, and now spacecraft, planting a seedling is an investment in our future. The tree may not bring you fruit, but it will bring future generations fruit. In 1962, President Kennedy said these words: "We meet in an hour of change and challenge, in a decade of hope and fear, and an age of both knowledge and ignorance. The greater of our knowledge increases, the greater of our ignorance unfolds." Artemis I continued in the grand tradition of what Artemis II astronaut Victor Glover suggested during his visit to Goddard as vessels of humanity that we take our culture with us into the cosmos. That we should choose to take seeds and plant them for future generations to enjoy, to remind us earthbound explorers that, despite the problems we face here, we remain connected to our future in space. I'm hopeful that all of our shared work on Artemis missions will bring similar fruit to future generations.